So let's make some classic cocktail but with tequila. Tequila Negroni. This is the cocktails for you when I love Negroni and also tequila. So it's an amazing cocktail. They keep it the same recipe like the Negroni. It's the same part of the Campari, tequila and vermouth. I like using 30 because this works for me well, but you can put more or less, it's up to you. So after you put all ingredients in the glass, you put a lot of ice and meat. It needs a lot of it. I let you know why, because this is a lot of alcohol in the cocktail. To be honest, it's just alcohol. The ice is the only fresh, neutral thing when they have in this cocktail. So this will make your cocktail more soft to your drink. So if you mix more, they make the taste not so strong. But still you miss something citric in there, no? So you can take the skin from the orange and then just squeeze or smash a little bit and put inside the glass. This will make your cocktail feel like some citric press. So cheers or better, salud.